Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can integrate botpress in a Next.js 13 application. Let's go! Okay, let's start by checking out an example repo with Next.js version 13. I prepared something for you guys. Just then type in your terminal git clone, then XamHans and botpress-nextjs. And from there we navigate into this folder, and then here we first make a yarn install to install all the dependencies. So after installing we can start the application with yarn dev, and then we should see something like this, just a blank Next.js starter. Yeah, with a little modification here. So, and to integrate the bot into this application, we will go to the layout, and then from here we will create a new head tag, and then in here we're gonna make use of this script component from Next.js. Just paste into this. And from here I will import this from Next script. And as a source we're gonna apply this one, the CDN from botpress. And on the onload will trigger a function called init botpress. And this here is a function that will initialize our bot. So this function here. And what we now need to do is to replace all this stuff here, because this is related to my bot now. And what we need to do now is to go to botpress, log in, choose your bot, and from here go to integrations, and then make sure web chat is here selected. Under this tab here we're gonna copy this stuff here and replace it with my own stuff. And then we should see our bot on the Next.js application. So where is it? Yeah, here it is. And because we placed it inside the layout, it will be available on every page, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.